TIOmarkets, we only offer you the best. We actually are able to hook you up with an application called MT5, which is an application that you can use on an Android or an iPhone to actually trade the Forex market real time off of a mobile device such as a tablet or your phone. TIOmarkets is always going to serve you well. We're going to hook you up with MT5, which is an application that you can use to trade on your phone or your tablet. MT5, some of the benefits of that are actually going to be fast and accurate trade executions, which are actually going to put you at an advantage of other platforms because you can actually make your trade in there and get it in fast. Now, MT5 actually gives you the opportunity to trade lots of different financial markets, such as the biggest pairs of Forex of all. Euro-dollar, Euro-yen, obviously pound-yen, dollar-yen, and some of the other bigger players, as well as some exotics, such as Euro-New Zealand dollar, Kiwi dollar, and some of the other commodities that you might also have heard about, such as gold, platinum, silver, NASDAQ 500, and obviously the S&P.